Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we will learn English with visuals. Yes, not boring learning. Today, we will learn English in a fun and easy way. You will see visuals, actions, daily life situations, and real examples. Are you ready?
She wakes up early in the morning. She turns off her alarm clock. She stretches her body slowly. She drinks a glass of water. She opens the window. She enjoys the fresh air. She brushes her teeth. She washes her face. She combs her hair carefully. She changes into workout clothes. She does light exercise. She goes for a morning walk. She watches birds flying. She returns home happily. She takes a shower. She dries her hair. She wears clean clothes. She prepares breakfast. She makes a cup of tea. She sits down to eat breakfast. She checks her phone. She replies to messages. She gets ready for work. She locks the door. She walks to the bus stop. She waits for the bus. She gets on the bus. She looks outside the window. She reaches her office. She greets her coworkers. She starts working on her tasks. She attends a meeting. She writes important notes. She drinks coffee during break. She talks with her friends. She eats lunch. She leaves the office. She returns home tired. She changes into comfortable clothes. She makes dinner. She watches television. She spends time with family. She reads a book. She drinks warm milk. She brushes her teeth again. She turns off the lights. She lies down on her bed.
That's all for today. I hope you learned something new. Remember, practice makes progress. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.